Okay, rolling.
Okay, the system here contains of 2 out-back inverters that are wired 122/40, and it takes the power, the DC power from the battery bank, which is 24 volts, and just stop here now.
Sorry, okay.
Okay, the battery bank is connected for 48 volts DC, and the inverters change the 48 volts DC to 120 volts AC, which feeds each individual condo through the meters behind us here. Now, this system here, through the inverters, is set up to start the generator, the 15 kilowatt mark number 2, automatically. When the batteries get down to 46.7 volts, the generator will start automatically and continually run until the batteries get up to 58.6. Then the generator will shut off all automatically. So that's about it for this system. Now, if you want to run your air conditioners, you'll have to come in here. If the generator is running, you should come in here, open this door, and put this switch to off position, which is center. On the left you got run, then you got off, and then you have automatic. The generator will always be on automatic unless you're running your air conditioners. So turn it to the off position. Then all you need to do is walk over here, and these switches will be on generator 2. You take this transfer switch and move it up to generator 1, 2, just like that. And this one here should be moved down to generator 2. And this switch here has to be moved down for the generator. So 4 things. Shut the 15 kilowatt off, put the big transfer switch into generator 1, 2, move this handle to generator 2, and shut this breaker off. And then you can run the air conditioning in the office or in the condos off the 15 kilowatt, and you should run probably a maximum of 3 to 4 condos. And that's it.
Okay. Okay, and then you have to come back over and start this generator right?
Yeah, and then just come over here, and again, open the door here, and just press this button to run, and the generator will start automatically. Just close the door again, and you have your electricity, and you can run the air conditioners in the condo.
Okay.
That's basically it. Then if you wanna, okay, so when you're ready to shut the generator off for the air conditioners, just go back to the generator and shut it off.
Again, the switch balanced in the middle.
A key here on the bottom.
Whoops, wrong one. Yep.
This one here.
Balance between run and auto is off.
Off.
Yep.
Correct. Then just reverse what we did. Go over here. Turn the breaker on for your pump. Put this on to inverter battery. And this switch back down for inverter battery. And you're back to the original position, and everything is back to automatic.
Okay. Perfecta.
And
then you have to go back and start the generator.
And then just leave it automatic, and then the generator will start off of the inverters.
But it's off right now, and it needs to be set to automatic, right?
So then put it back to automatic, exactly. Go back over here.
Let's see if it kicks on by itself because the batteries are too low.
So then just go back and put this switch here back to automatic. Just press it automatic. And that's it.
Okay. And you never have to move the circuit breaker below it. Leave it up always.
The circuit breaker should be up all the time.
Okay.
It's a 70 amp circuit breaker.
Okay. Okay. There's an error message on this thing. That's what it looks like. Okay.
And
Okay, go ahead.
And I believe the error has occurred because the generator is running automatically and we shut it off, so we got an error. So, view the error. Now it's gone shut off.
Wait, okay.
This is the Outback Mate. We need really to get the book to read through to show you how so you can use it yourself and look at it. But the inverter control is currently on. The charge controller is on auto. And if we scroll down, we see the auto auxiliary controls off, doesn't mean anything. The equalizer is not enabled, because that would be something we would do to equalize the batteries. The charge control, that's for the generator, is on auto, where it has to be. And AC in control is in use, which it needs to be. Inverter is on. Now we're going to hit the AC in button. Charger control. Let's see here. Get back out of this auto here. So inverter control is on. Charge control is automatic. Now let's see if we can change this to change the mode here. Why don't you just shut that off?
Now I'm rolling. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in on this.
Okay, if you have an error, it's going to show on the screen as an error. To clear it, you hit the inverter button. The screen changes to inverter control currently on. You hit the off button. The inverter shut off. It says off, and the green light on the inverter is off. To turn it back on, hit on. And you'll see the green buttons on the inverter, then hit OK. And that should clear your errors. So again, hit the inverter button, hit off, hit on, and OK, and that clears your errors.